Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Lisa Whitcott.
We're so excited about this beautiful place here in Alameda. You know, Lisa, what I like about this one is you're right next to San Francisco and you're not too far away from Silicon Valley. What do you think about this place?
It's awesome. Great location, walking distance to Otis School. You can walk down to the beach, you can walk down to downtown. Beautiful community and really tastefully done. Let's take a tour. Welcome home to 1004 Versailles Avenue in lovely Alameda, California. Enchanting elegance awaits in this lovingly restored bungalow. Resplendent with charm and time-honored architectural features, this home maintains period flair while integrating modern components. Enjoy the bright and sunny atmosphere, gleaming hardwood floors, arched doorways, custom built-ins, and stylish touches that satisfy today's most discerning buyer. The cozy eat-in kitchen has plenty of counter space and storage to fulfill all your culinary needs. Upstairs, you'll find two ample bedrooms, one with a petite loft perfect for relaxing retreat. Work or learn remotely in the delightful, sun-filled office space just off the kitchen. Host guests in the private downstairs retreat, complete with its own full bathroom. The front porch is skirted by mature landscape, providing just the right amount of beauty and seclusion for your morning coffee or quiet reflections in the evening. This home is located in Alameda's highly coveted East End. Walk to top-rated Otis Elementary School, South Shore Shopping, Crown Beach, gourmet eateries, parks, and transportation. This is your perfect storybook home. Thank you so much for taking the tour. As you can see, it's a gorgeous property. We can't wait to talk to you.
And if you have any questions whatsoever, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime and we'll talk to you soon.